Hey Rach, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Corey.
We live in a 3-bedroom, 1,100 square foot home right outside of Austin, Texas, and we pay $1,400 a month.
When we walked into the house, this kitchen was just builder basic. It had oak cabinets and a basic backsplash. We changed the backsplash out, gave color to the cabinets, and now it feels like it's ours.
In our old home, we had a large dining room. When we moved into this house, we had a much smaller dining space. We added some wainscoting and some wallpaper to the walls to spruce it up a little. We built a DIY built-in banquette, so now we can seat up to 8 people.
The rooms in our house are kind of small. And when it came time to design our son's room, we knew the storage was going to be the main concern. So we designed this built-in bed, which incorporates pre-built bookcases on either side and some under-bed storage to maximize his needs.
When we were designing our son's nursery, we wanted to add some visual interest to the walls without spending a lot of money or taking up a lot of room. We added this board and batten to the wall just by adding some simple boards to the wall and painting the whole thing one color. It was super affordable and it looks beautiful. When we moved into this home, this corner of the living room was awkward, empty, and boring. We designed and installed these open floating shelves, and now the space is beautiful and intentional.
The fireplace was basic. It had beige tile, beige walls, and a basic mantle. We decided to step it up a notch by retiling with this beautiful marble mosaic, put shiplap on the walls, painting it black so that it blends the TV in so you don't even know it's there, and now it is the statement focal piece of the room.